Hi, and welcome to our video covering how to configure JUKE using the out-of-box experience or the post-installation wizard. In this video, we're going to cover how to configure JUKE using the post-installation wizard, as well as logging into JUKE for the first time. As a quick refresher, let's find the IP address for the JUKE web admin console. Next, we'll open a web browser and navigate to the IP address that we copied. Once you've entered all of your admin information, we'll select which clouds we want to integrate using the wizard. As a reminder, for instructions on how to find the cloud credentials that you'll need to enter into the wizard, please visit our documentation at hub.htbase.com. If you require the use of an email proxy, you can use this page to configure it. Our system here doesn't need one, so we'll go ahead and skip it. Once the installation is completed, you'll be taken to the login page. With the JUKE master node configured, you'll be able to add both storage and compute nodes to the JUKE fabric. We'll cover adding both compute and storage resources to the JUKE fabric in separate videos. For more information, contact us at htbase.com or visit our YouTube channel.